Good morning, you guys. We are on the plane. Y'all, I really like this plane. I think we're gonna fly Alaska every time we get Doesn't matter. But free movies. So much space in front of us. So,
I want people to know my style right now.
I am super excited.
My hair longer than something else. That natural for that.
I guess we'll see you guys when we get to LA. I'm super excited. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Sorry, I'm looking a little rough.
Once again, good afternoon. Welcome to Flight 1883 to Los Angeles. Quickly find your seat and place your one large item in the bin overhead with wheels or handles facing the aisle. Place any smaller bags, including laptops and bags.
Different out here.
It is.
I'm pursuing an acting career, and I'll be on a television near you soon.
I guess so. But yeah, the air is very different. It feels so much better here than it do in Texas. I can tell you that. Well, maybe because we're only in the shade. But it does feel so good right now. So I'm kind of hungry. I want to eat something. So I'll talk to you guys when we get to the house. So see you guys a little later. Guys, it is now. What time is it, babe? It's 9:41. We're about to go eat breakfast, I believe, and just be out. I don't think I'm gonna take my camera for one, because it's big and I don't feel like holding it all day. So, you think I should take my camera, babe? Think I should take my camera or no? No. So I'm not gonna take it today. I'll probably take it tomorrow, but not today. So I am gonna be Snapchatting everything, so make sure you follow me on my Snapchat at sayit_tiny. I post on there and on Instagram. It's the same thing. So I just wanted to come on here because yesterday I did not come on here yesterday after I did the house tour. So make sure you go watch that video as well. But yeah, that video is gonna be up before this video because I'm just gonna vlog yesterday, Friday, Saturday. I'm just gonna vlog this whole little experience here in LA. So today is not gonna be the day that I'm gonna be vlogging on my camera, but I will be on my Snapchat and saving all those stories so you guys can see that as well. But in the meantime, this is what I have on. Let me show you guys. You can tell. I'm gonna zoom in. So, okay, so right now I just have on a black bodysuit, these high-waisted pants. The shoes, I have on these, but I'm gonna put on my black sandals as well. So yeah, this is what I have on. I think I'm looking great, but I do need to get back in the gym because, y'all, this waist needs to be snatched. You feel me? It needs to be snatched. So, in the meantime, this is how I'm looking. So, yeah. So other than that, I guess I will talk to you guys a little later or when we come back. I'll vlog when we come back to the house and we get ready to go in the house. So I'm gonna vlog that. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys a little later. Bye. Hi you guys, I'm back at the house. We about to take a little break. Before we go out tonight, I took off my lashes. I'm just laying in the bed right now. I done put back on my PJs. I have on sweatpants because they're so comfy, and I didn't bring any pants. So right now we're just chilling, and I guess I film us getting a haircut after I get ready. I'm just gonna do a little freshen up on my makeup, not too much. All I do is put my eyelashes back on, and that's what I did. I'm thinking about putting some eyeshadow on, but I'm not really for sure if that's something that I want to do. And yeah, y'all look this, and I gotta fix this damn string on my hair. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna take it all the way off. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say something. Tomorrow, I might have to take my vlog because I did see a lot of different things and I didn't vlog it, and I'm sorry. I apologize. But hopefully it will be better in tomorrow or later on tonight. I don't know, but we'll see. So yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys a little later. I really want to take a nap, so yeah, probably not, but I'll look fat. Oh gosh, I gotta get rid of that. Anyways, bye. Talk to y'all later. Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday. We're about to go get something to eat. We have already, well, we up and I'm dressed. I think everybody is dressed. I'm not really for sure. I'm step outside. So I'm standing outside. Y'all, last night was super crazy. It wasn't crazy. It was fun. I had a good time. Now we're about to go get something to eat. And I don't know what else we about to do. I think we're probably just gonna go walk around LA. We'll probably go to the Beverly Hills. I'm not really for sure exactly what we're gonna do, but I know we're gonna do something. And I just did a slight beat. I didn't put on no eyelashes because lately my eyes been irritated with eyelashes, so I didn't put any on. But this is my outfit. I have on an Adidas shirt, I have on these pants, and then I have on my Roshis. So this is my outfit for the day. I thought about bringing my camera along again today, but I didn't bring it yesterday because we did a lot of walking, and today I don't want to bring it along. I think we're supposed to be going to a day party too, so I was like, I don't want to bring, and I don't know if I can bring my camera into the day party as well. So if anything, I just probably just vlog it off my I'll just vlog it off my phone rather than, you know, vlogging on my camera, because I don't know what all we're gonna be doing, and I don't have a small camera because this camera is kind of big. So yeah, but I know if we do come back, I will pick it up this time, because yesterday I didn't. We was tired yesterday, and I didn't pick it up when we was getting ready to go out, because we was super tired. Like we slept until it was time to like actually leave the house. So yeah, I'm not gonna be picking that up anytime soon or anything. So I just wanted to come out here and say my little piece, say what I have to say, and then when we come back to the house, I will pick up my camera to make sure that I vlog it, so you guys will have that or whatever. But I just want to show you guys this nice scenery. Well, it don't look as nice right now, but they got houses like over there, and like this house right there that needs to fix. But this is what, you know, and if you go up farther, I'm pretty sure you probably can see. If I was like upstairs, I'm like at the bottom level of the house. So, and this is a little balcony that I'm sitting on right now. So, well, I'm standing on. But I just wanted to say that. But yeah, I'm about to go inside and see what we're about to do and all that jazzy. So I guess I'll talk to you guys a little later. Bye.
In this car, don't go turn into a maniac. All the way to Hollywood and
Okay, you guys, so we are on the beach. Sorry, I haven't been on all day and I look a hot mess, but we're on the beach. We ride these little scooters. Yeah, I almost fell. But yeah, we're actually gonna go down there and chill for a little bit. He's doing that for you guys. So we're gonna go down there and chill, stuff like that. it's a nice feeling, but it's too many people. So I guess I'll talk to you guys a little later when we get to the house. Bye. So we are over here at the little, still at the beach, but I just want to show you guys the mountains. Look at them. I don't know if you guys can see them. It's so foggy. There we go. Isn't it beautiful? Focus. Oh, that is gorgeous.
For the real show, say yeah. Say oh yeah. Say do it, black guy. Check this out. My name is King Vibe, y'all. I'm a real freestyle artist. You might recognize me from America's Got Talent. I don't curse or use any profanity, but I deliver hip-hop. Hip-hop stands for healthy, independent people helping other people. I have two rules to my show, crowd control and crowd participation. So the only thing that I need you guys to do is for everyone to take 3 to 4 big steps closer so I don't block the walkway. If I block the walkway, the police will take me again. I don't want to go back with those guys. So everyone, take 3 to 4 big steps closer. I don't bite, I promise you. But how do you make some noise? I think it was over here. Yo. I'll be right there with the shoe. Talking about the shoes on my guys that they knew. Lady me all in the back. Take a knife on, let me put it in the rap. Princess right there with the Beatles. Talking Abby with the rodent back. I know it's not let me start the party when I rap here. I ain't never stopping. Keys in the bed, I like that. Zoom zoom. Keys in the back in the rap. Zoom zoom. Popcorn cause I got a movie, huh? Right here and I know it's groovy. Even the camera, I'm talking that cannon. She filming me now. That was the real. Even got Grizzly all up in the back with the backpack with the pro all in the back like that. Even that lady right there. Oh my gosh, cause I got it done. So you should roll it up cause I'm showing love. Freestyle daily, you know what's up. Champion in there like Mayweather. Oh my gosh, guess what? I ain't got no gloves. I like your glasses and your hair fantastic and I like your smile. Let me rap the basher. That was real, we got charges. And the rappers, they do want the bitches, I put them in charge. Matter of fact, I never been a charger. I'm the plug and I've been a socket. You should hit me now, I got the phone in. Oh my gosh, saying that's the X though. Rest in peace, and I'm talking X though. That is ill, I can be the best though. Lady there with the makeup path, yeah. And I know that she really got it though. But you're beautiful, you don't even need no makeup, yeah. I can keep it real cause it's trilogy. And the homie there, he got a number 2. That is dope, but I'm number 1. Let me put the money on with the crew. Keeping it going, thank you for that. And I got the lady in the green in the back. Thank you for the love and I even got the dope. Sipping on the water with the shower on the low. Talking about the water, but I know it's so empty. Arizona tea is in the back. Let me put the Arizona in the rap. If I go to Arizona, killer rap. Got the glasses, fantastic. And I even got the giant gummy one. I will probably fill it up and do it daily like I do it already. When I drop the song, got the LA there and it's on your hat. California West Side, where you at? Cigarettes, you better put it down. Better get a swish and sweet and chill a while. That was really dope. I can do a show. Got the homie in the dubs in the back. Dubs in the back with the fanny pack. The fanny swag. I'm with the fanny pack. With the king and the queen living the scene. Doing what I mean with the lip gloss. Matter of fact, you're a queen on the right block. Welcome Santa Monica, turn up. In a honey with the purse. Look at your purse. Really is green. Red like the moolah. You was the queen and I know you're a ruler. Look at your chain. That was a lock. If you got keys, that means I'm the lock. Even got the black hat, the snap back to me and all in the pink. With the boss with the logo. Pink shirt, put him in the rap verse. Give it a go when they really give me on the mic. Waking up, I'm feeling like I'm carrying the music on my back and I'll be rocking the 30. I'm feeling all day. Feeling like a wicked. Giving a microphone and I'm running. Looking at the crowd, do you like my show? Make some noise, but let me know. Keep on going the beat, let's go. Yo, get the kiddo when it's back. Into the kiddo, I can probably be a hero. Let him on going home playing in the jingle. Let me run my back and the music got a bimble. Like an old lady, hand up, yellow beagle. This is Kelly and I like that show. Then we got the guy and he chilling at the top. Make some noise, but let me know. Go!